Scientists advising the World Health Organization say the AstraZeneca vaccine should be given to all adults over 18 with no upper age limit. The recommendation comes after a number of countries opted not to give the jab to those over the age of 65 because of doubts over its effectiveness. And South Africa suspended its rollout. The WHO's chair of the Strategic Advisory Group of Experts on Immunisation, Dr. Alejandro Cravioto, had this to say.
Since we have identified people over 65 as one of our priority groups in the prioritization roadmap, we have based a totality of looking at the safety and the immunogenicity data, and therefore we recommend for the vaccine to be used in people 18 years and above without an upper age limit. That means people over 65 years of age should be given the vaccination.
Well, let's bring in our science correspondent, Thomas Moore, now. Put this into context for us. Why has the World Health Organization had to issue this guidance, Thomas?
Well, I think all countries were looking to the World Health Organization to do just that, because the vaccine is now available and they wanted the best available recommendations for its use. And I think what they have essentially decided is that, yes, there are gaps in the data. There is a limit to the copper-bottomed evidence that comes from clinical trials, but filling in the gaps, they do believe that the vaccine is effective in the older patients, that it should be given between 8 and with a dose interval of 8 to 12 weeks, as it is being given here in the UK, and that it should be given even though there may be variants that may reduce its effectiveness. Now, on all 3 points, let's go back to the first one, the elderly. Of course, President Macron of France, he has said that the vaccine was quasi-ineffective. The German vaccine advisors said that it shouldn't be used in the elderly until there's stronger evidence. But the WHO has very much sided with the UK and how it's being used here. And after days of really quite strong criticism of the way the vaccine is being used that perhaps undermine public confidence, this is a strong vote of confidence for the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine.